Si Chief PNP noong panahon na yon, ngayon Senator Ronaldo Bato de la
Anong
Rosa.
date yon?
Ronald lang, Ronald.
Ronald.
Walang O.
Sorry po.
Anong date yung MC
July
16?
1, 2016.
Okay, July
First day po niya sa
July
pag-upo
1,
bilang
2016.
Chief PNP.
And as an experienced lawyer, napansin mo doon ang pag-insert ng anong mga salita? Na alanganing salita? Ha?
Neutralize po at negate.
Negation ata nang nandun, ano?
Yes.
Anong mas madalas gamitin doon? Neutralization?
Neutralization.
Yung
Limang
negation, ilang times na bang
Limang
ginagamit?
beses po nabanggit yung neutralize at 2 beses nabanggit ang negate.
Negate. So, sa pag-aaral mo, just in case you know, sa mga police material, is this the first time na ginamit ang neutralization, neutralize, negation, negate?
May mga 1 or 2 na mga police documents na nakita ko po yan, pero wala akong alam na may ganyan sa mga utos sa drugs, lalong-lalo na sa war on drugs, kundi ito lang CMC 16-2016.
Pero yung mga naalala mo na-encounter mo yung terms, in what context mo naman sila na-encounter? In police documents?
I think it was pointed out by then Justice Carpio in one of the hearings, the oral argument during the Almora case, the war on drugs case. Siya po ang nagbanggit po sa amin nung kami nakaharap sa Supreme Court.
Alam mo, diniscuss ko na rin sa staff ko yan eh. What would be a better word to replace neutralization or negation if you do not have killing as included in the meaning of the word? Sige nga, can I benefit from your presence, Attorney Jokma?
Kaya nga po ako nagtaka dahil alam naman natin na ang tungkulin ng pulis ay manghuli, mangkalap ng ebidensya at magsampa ng kaso. Yun yung hinahanap namin sa command circular. Mang-aresto kayo, kumuha kayo ng ebidensya, mag-file kayo ng case. Nung nakita namin paulit-ulit yung negate at neutralize, sabi po namin, bakit ito ay nailagay doon? Kung ang purpose ay mang-aresto, bakit hindi na lang ginamit yung salitang aresto?
Mr. Chair?
Okay, at Senator Bato?
Yeah, Mr. Chair. I just would like to react. Yung insistence ni Atty. Jokdo about using the word neutralize na puro killing lang ang gusto niyang palabasin. If you can remember, Atty. Jokno, during our senatorial debate doon sa UST, almost 6 years ago, sinagot na kita tungkol dyan kasi insisting ka na pag-neutralize, patay agad. Sinagot na kita extensively doon sa ni Atty. Jokdo about using the word neutralize na puro killing lang ang gusto niyang palabasin. If you can remember, Atty. Jokno, during our senatorial debate doon sa UST, almost 6 years ago, sinagot na kita tungkol dyan kasi insisting ka na pag-neutralize, patay agad. Sinagot na kita extensively doon sa debate na yun. Kaya nga siguro ako nanalo. Ginawa akong senador ng taong bayan dahil nasagot ko yung tanong mo na yun. If I will give you the Google meaning of neutralize. Ito pong nakasabi. It is a verb. Render something ineffective or harmless by applying an opposite force or effect. So ano ibig sabihin yan? Render something ineffective or harmless by applying an opposite force or effect. Ano yung opposite force or effect na sinasabi? Yan ang sinasabi mong negation. Negation operation. Paano gagawin yan? Kasi sabi mo, gusto mo magpulis-pulisan eh. Gusto mo yung term ng pulis, talagang insist yung gusto mong meaning eh. Yung negation operations ay pagkakandak ng operations against the suspects. Pag magkandak ka ng operations, chances are na pwede mo siyang maaresto, pailan mo ng kaso para makulong at hindi na siya makapag-commit pa ng further crimes. Ineffective na siya sa kanyang mga criminal activities. Ngayon, sabi mo patay. Yes, pwede mayroong mamatay dyan sa neutralization kapag ang suspect ay lumaban sa operation because by all means, ang police has to defend themselves. Self-defense. Ewan ko. Tanungin natin itong mga former chief PNP kung ano ba talaga ang meaning ng neutralization. Dahil alam ko, police, military, at maraming organization gumagamit ng term ng neutralize. Binibigyan lang kasi ng masamang meaning nitong mga anti-Duterte na people. Ngayon, kinukot mo pa yung PDEA director na yes, he's free to make his own meaning, his own definition of that term. But ito ngayon, tatlong former chief PNP, Mr. Chair, can I ask General Gamboa, when I say neutralize, anong ibig sabihin yan? You have the floor.
These three former PNP chiefs came after the PNP chief ba to? So tama. So,
Correct.
Yes.
And if
So,
indeed that memorandum that I signed, as cited by Attorney Jokno, was true,
nabasa
then
nila yan.
they were covered by that memorandum. And I would like to seek their opinion as to the intent of that memorandum. Is it really killing? Otherwise, kung gusto kong patayin yung mga suspect na yan, bakit pa ako gagamit ng neutralized term? Gagamitin ko ang to kill. Bakit ko pa gagamitin yung term ng neutralized, Mr. Chair? I have given this body the Google meaning of the word neutralization. This time, I would like to share with you the police meaning of neutralization as defined in page 188 of the Police Operational Procedure Manual. And it says, neutralization, a police intervention in strict accord with the use of force continuum and or principle of proportionality on the use of force purposely to contain or stop the unlawful aggression of the offender. This may include an arrest, capture, surrender, or other acts to subdue the suspect. Wala mang nakalagay dito na kill sa definition ng PNP Operational Manual, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mahirap kung ang magbigay ng meaning, somebody from outside the PNP ang mag-interpret sa isang police term. It should be people from within the organization be given the chance to interpret this term accordingly, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
May we know when the PNP officially and formally defined the word neutralization? Because sa notes ko, mayroon -21, so it gives me the idea it's 2021.
Regardless, Mr. Chair.
Am I correct or not?
Yeah, this is 2021. Dahil
Okay.
nga sa palaging
Yes.
minimisinterpret ng
Okay.
publiko yung term na neutralization, the PNP come up with the correct
But
meaning.
Is it a fact that in the command memorandum circular number 16-2016, where the word neutralization appears, wala pa siyang definition on time na yon?
Wala pa, Mr.
Correct.
Chair.
Okay.
But it doesn't mean kung walang
Correct.
nakasulat na
Correct.
definition, isama mo na yung puro patay-patay na lang ang
Correct.
gusto mo sa neutralization.
Correct.